Okay, I'm trying to align my transmission shift indicator on my 2001 Ford Taurus. The first thing that I need to do is probably pull this seat back. You can see it's a little off right here. So, the first thing I need to do is pull this seat back as far as I can go. Okay. Second thing I need to do, I need to pull this panel off right here. There's two 8mm bolts holding it on there, and I have to put the camera down to do it. One on each. There's a bolt on each side. I got to pull that panel off before I can get to the adjuster. So I'll put the camera down and do that. Okay, I got both my bolts out right here, so I just need to pull the panel off. Okay, I don't know if you can see that or not. I use my flashlight. I have to pull this back a little bit so you can see it. Okay, my wheel is right there, the little black thing right there, and you can move it left or right to adjust the shifter to center it. So what I'm going to have to do is put down this camera and move it, put my hand up down under there and move it until I got my shifter centered the way I want it to be. So what I'm going to have to do is put down the camera and do that. Now, you can see my shifter right here on my Ford is in park. And it's over the red part right there, the little marker shows where my gear is in. It's too far over to the right. So what I'm having to do is reach down here with my hand and hold the camera with my other hand, and I'm going to move it. I'm going to let you see it. Okay, I think I'm going the wrong way. I need to go the other way. Okay, I'm moving it. I'm moving the wheel down here to the left, and you can see that the red indicator right there where it says P is going back toward the center where it's supposed to be at. So when these cars get old like this car is 20 years old, just over a period of time it'll vibrate over a period of time, and it'll move the shifter right here out of place, and you have to use the little wheel down here to center it the way it is. So I got it centered, and that's the way it's supposed to be. So I'm going to put my shield back on, and that should be it. Okay, so now I'm putting the shield back on. I got the shield on, and I'm tightening it back up. So after I get these tightened up, then I'll be finished.